Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear friend. PC organizes free online CPD point on maintenance strategies past, present, and future. First of all, my dear friend, register yourself for free webinar and certificate will be sent to only registered participants who will attend webinar on Zoom or on Facebook Live. These are guidelines applying for online registration. Online registration form is available on PC website and PC official Facebook www.pc.org.pk. And CPD certificate 1 credit point will be awarded to the registered participants who will attend the webinar. And no fee is required for registration. At the time of registration, please provide the correct PC registration number and valid email address, which are linked with your engineer's registration portal and CNS for receiving of CPD certificate. And registration will be confirmed on a first come, first served basis. Because of limited seats. Finally, it will be start at 11 a.m. on Saturday 3rd September 2022 on Zoom or on Facebook Live. Thanks for watching, my dear friend. My YouTube channel is Online Learning with Hyder.